So our curator just got her hands on these masterpieces capsules by many brands. I've been wanting to open these and apparently there are some really iconic pieces in here. I'm hoping we get something rare. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 blind bags, our collector's guide, and this instruction sheet for one of our minis. This is the biggest bag from the bunch, so let's check this out first. Oh, look at that. We have this mini crowbar. And y'all, I thought this is plastic. This is actual metal. And we also have these pieces which will turn into a box. And building it is pretty easy because we have this guide. This part goes here. This one goes here. This one goes here. Oh, that snap was satisfying. This goes here. And lastly, the cover. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And this crowbar is not just a prop because you can actually use it to prop the box open. And I like that the crowbar is a good size for our doll. Not too big, not too small. And our second bag. And this one we have, oh, we got a painting. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this piece. So this canvas, oh, okay, not sure why this has a plastic backing, but I'm loving this painting. Our collector's guide shows that this is a common, and even though it doesn't say it on the collector's guide, this painting is the Great Wave off Kanagawa. Our painting also comes with these pieces, and based on these instructions, we will have to peel the plastic backing off and wrap it around our light colored frame. All right, let's do that. Then we position the frame and we peel off these sides. Then we wrap our canvas and it should look like this after. This is so detailed, you could even see the staples on the back. Here's what it looks like in front and I'm loving all these details. And we put it into our frame, completing our first mini. I'm going to use a little bit of poster putty to hang our first painting. The painting itself looks a little small, but this is perfect as a wall decor. And our second bag, we have, I am seeing a little instruction sheet here. All right, let's take a look at this before we open the bag. Looks like safety information for magnifying glass, which means, yeah, we got a magnifying glass. It looks pretty big for our doll, but we can use it to check the details on the collector's guide. And I was just looking at the collector's guide and I noticed that these are actual paintings in the funny versions. Like this painting of Van Gogh wearing headphones, and this painting of girl with a pearl earring, but it's a cat. I would love to find that. So let's check out our third bag. And this one has, it's a painting of a crying woman and I wish I knew what this is. It's not on the guide. Would have been helpful if each of these paintings has names. Alright, so I'm following the steps that we did for our first painting. Then we peel off the sides and wrap. Then we can put it in our frame. And our second painting is ready. By the way, these paintings also have these amazing textures. Like they're actual paintings, but they're not. And I think I'm gonna put it on the far end. And here's our last bag. And we have, oh my gosh, look at that. I really wanted to find a painting with a very intricate frame. And I think we just got one. I don't know what painting this is just yet, but let's take a look at the frame first. Oh, I love it. And let's see what painting this is. Oh my gosh, we got the painting based on Napoleon crossing the Alps. But instead of a horse, he's riding on a cat. So cute. I love this. And let's put it in the frame. And here's our curator with our third painting. Let's add it on our wall and check out the next one. I do want to find some of the statues. So let's hope we find any of this. And in this capsule, we have the same things, I guess. We have the collector's guide, the instruction sheet, and we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blind bags. And just by feeling this one, I can tell this is another box. So let's check this out. Oh my gosh, it's our first double. But then again, I don't know if each capsule really has this box. But that's fine. Because we might have a good use for these boxes later on. And yes, this also comes with a crowbar. And speaking of duplicates, I'm pretty sure I know what's in this bag. Ugh, yeah. It's another magnifying glass. And I was looking at the collector's guide and I just noticed the Napoleon painting is an ultra rare item, so that's cool. Will we find another rare though? Let's see. Third bag. Oh, it's a different frame, which means it's a different painting. This looks like a painting of Mount Fuji. This is one of my most favorite parts of unboxing this, peeling the stickers. But I noticed our inner frame has some bowing, so I'm going to stick it facing down like this. And let's hope it will not stick out when we put it in. Yeah, I think that worked. Here's our curator with our fourth painting. This might just be one of her favorites just yet. And in our third bag, we have... Okay, it's a different frame. Looks like we found a hamster painting. It looks like it's one of the commons, and this must be a parody of the original. And if you know what the original painting is, let me know in the comments, because I could only recognize a few of them. We put it in our frame, and here it is with our curator. I may not know what this exact painting is, but the addition of that hamster is hilarious. It's pretty cute. And our last bag, we have... Please be a different painting. Oh, yeah, it's a different one. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh! We found a girl with a pearl earring. I wanted to find the parody version, but this is also nice. And for the most satisfying part... I love this painting. Let's put it here. And hope we find a statue next. Does this have a statue? Please have a statue. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags and no statue. I can tell because these are flat bags. Although, I am not seeing a bulky one, which means we don't have a repeat of the box, which is good. Speaking of repeats, I know what this one is. And this one has, yeah, a magnifying glass again. Second bag. As long as it's not a repeat painting, I'll be happy. Oh yeah, it's not a repeat, but I think this is a parody. A parody of what exact painting, I am not sure, but I know it's a parody because there's a Bitcoin picture over there. Let's peel and stick. Let's put it in its frame. And here's it with the painting. I don't want to fill this wall yet, so I think I'll be putting it over there. In our third bag, we have... Oh, I think we got the easel stand. Okay, looks like there are two different easel stands, but we got the dark brown colored one. Let's see what else we have in here. Yeah, it's just the pieces. Some assembly is required, but we have our instruction sheet, so we should be fine. It's this part that we have to follow. Right, so this part goes here. And it should snap in place like so. This part goes here. And this part goes here. And best part is this is adjustable. Here's our curator next to our easel stand. And with the painting, this makes for a good display. Let's see what's in our next bag. And in this one, our painting is... Oh, it's a double. It's a double of that painting over there. It's a double and I don't know the name of the painting. I do love the painting. I just stated that we got a double as early as now. We are only on our third capsule. Yeah, I'm not happy about this double, but that's okay. I think I'm just gonna put this on the easel stand. Alright, last bag. Hope it's not a double. And in this one, oh my gosh. Oh, we got a double of the hamster painting. Ugh. 2 doubles so far. Okay, well this one have this tattoo. Let's see what we got. Okay, the instruction sheet, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags without a bulky one, so no repeats of the box. That's good. And this might mean we have another easel stand. Yeah, this one might be it. So let's open this one first. If this is a repeat of that one, ugh. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's a repeat of the same. But you know what? That's fine. It's actually a repeat of the paintings that I don't want to get. Oh, by the way, this is adjustable. Alright, another easel stand, which we can put over there. Yep, not bad. And I can tell this one has the magnifying glass because, you know, you can see through it. Yep. Okay, let's see what painting we got in this one. Oh my gosh, I was about to scream, but then I noticed it doesn't have the Bitcoin coin, so that's great. Okay, let's put it in the frame. And I think I'll put it on the easel stand. Third bag. Oh, it's a gold frame. We don't have this one yet. What painting did we get this time? It's another Van Gogh painting. This is titled The Night Cafe. Oh, I love the colors and the texture on this. And just in case I haven't mentioned, it's a rare mini, which I think earns its place on this side. Our curator approves. And our last bag, we have a black frame. And the painting is... okay, I think this is the Red Balloon painting by Paul Klee. In the frame it goes. Then let's put it over here. Okay, we are on our last capsule and we still haven't found any of these tattoos, so let's hope that we find one in here. Please. Please have a tattoo in here. Let's see. Nope. 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 Oh, no statue. And I can tell this is another box, so let's just open this. Ugh. Yeah, but you know what? That's okay. Like we always say, that's okay. It's okay because we can use it to store our duplicates and 2 of our 3 crowbars. And we can leave them there to add to the scene. Oh, actually I should have opened this one first because this one has another magnifying glass. But I think I can leave it on the table with the easel stand. Alright, to the paintings. Our first painting from this bag is hopefully not a double. Wait, we have... ooh, it's a Da Vinci painting. A lady with an ermine. Let's put it in its frame. And let's add it on this side. 2 more bags to go. Let's check out this one. And this painting is... we got Birth of Venus by Sandro Botticelli. And our collector's guide says this is an ultra rare painting. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorites so far. And I think our curator agrees as well. Let's put this here. And hope we got a good one in this. And in this last bag we got... ugh, we got a double of that. I'll just swap this with this. And let's put this over here. Completing our mini brands masterpieces gallery. Perfectly curated by our curator Barbie. She has created a lot of good stuff today, but we haven't found any of these tattoos, so stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for joining us in checking out masterpieces by mini brands and helping our creator fill the gallery with awesome paintings. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Trice Collectibles and give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.